Hi, I'm Faisal. In this video, I'll show you how to redistribute black across the other colors in Photoshop. How can I shift that into cyan, magenta, and yellow to CMY without actually removing the black? Because if you remove the black color, the image loses its depth and realistic tone. The image will lose its natural appearance. It'll completely lose its natural look. Now, why is this video important to you? You probably clicked on this video because you care about printing. You have a 4-color image that you want to make into 3-color because of the presence of it in your prints or in the box that you want to print. In Pantone colors, this is the color most commonly used on medicine boxes. For example, you might have a medicine box that uses 3 Pantone colors, so they do this to save time and printing costs. They exclude the black color. Alright, they don't just delete it, they either exclude it or distribute it among the other colors. Let's take a look at this method, which is actually one of Photoshop's secrets. Seriously, this is truly one of Photoshop's secrets. So now we're going to see how we can distribute the black color among the other colors, meaning the CMY. Alright, so at first, your image will definitely be in RGB, but it needs to be converted to CMYK. And if you go to the channels, we're going to work on it to see what details the image has here, because RGB doesn't matter to us. We want it to be in CMYK. So I go here to Image, then Mode, and select CMYK. Alright, now the image is in CMYK. If you look here at the channels, when you remove the black color like this, it's considered deleted, meaning in printing, or we've done a removal here. When you print in CMY only, of course, it's not a natural image. It has issues and mistakes. The black color, of course, is what gives it its beauty. Now, we want to distribute the black color across the CMY, that is, onto the cyan, magenta, and yellow to get the result we want. Alright, now I go to Edit from up here to Edit. I go to Color Settings. Before I do anything, there's something I want to point out and emphasize. Anything we change in the settings here, you need to return it to its default state afterward. After you finish working on your image or saving your image, you have to make sure Photoshop goes back to its default settings so it doesn't cause you problems later on in another project or any other work you do. It has to go back to the default state. Alright, now this box will open for you in Color Settings. Here, make sure to save that it's CMYK. We're going to use CMYK, specifically US Web-Coded SWP v2. That's the one. So once we're done, you just go back and set the settings the way they were and select it. Alright, now I just click on it and go to CMYK Custom, Custom CMYK at the top, and I'll find this box. The only thing that matters to us here is the black limit. Set it to 0. Okay, now I've set it to 0. Alright. Now you'll notice that nothing has changed. It still looks the same. So what do? You go back to the image, change its mode to RGB. And then, once again, change it to CMYK. You'll see that the black color in the image, thank God, has been distributed among the other colors without us having to do any removal or anything, and now your image is in cyan, magenta, and yellow. I want to remind you again that you need to go back to the settings in Color Settings, and from here, set it to US Web-Coded SWP from this menu. Alright, that was our explanation on how to redistribute the black among the other colors. If you have any questions or inquiries, please write them in the comments and I'll be sure to respond, God willing. Thank you for watching.